everyone, and thank you so much. I am absolutely honored and grateful for the award tonight. And John, that was where'd you go? He's behind me. What a heartfelt introduction, and so genuine as he is. And you know, we're actually role models for each other. You know, 100 years ago, the Boeing company hired its first engineer, and he came from Beijing. His name was Wang Su. He graduated from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. So 100 years ago, the Boeing company, which today connects, protects, explores, and inspires engineers around the world, hired someone from China. And our dedication to inclusion and to diversity spans an entire century. And so, with so many geniuses in this room, it's absolutely humbling to be in and amongst you and all the awardees. And I would just encourage you, as one genius once said in the past, Dr. Einstein, logic will take us from A to B, but imagination takes us everywhere. And as every other talented awardee said tonight, engineering is an absolute noble profession. And so I would like to really accept this award on behalf of my colleagues, who I would like to really ask tonight to please join me in accepting this award by standing up, because if it's not Boeing, we're not going. So all our Boeing people, stand up tonight. So we are in the heart of Seattle, Boeing country. My Lockheed Martin colleagues, of course. Yes. It's all about aerospace. And actually, my husband and I, we paraglide in aerospace. We love aerospace so much that we named our daughter Ariel for flying, not the mermaid, okay? So on behalf of my colleagues, Dr. Sue, we stand on the shoulders of all of the leaders before us. And not only do I stand on the leaders before us, but also my family. My mother, Dr. Nellie Ramos, is here. My husband, who is a brilliant chemical engineer, by the way. And if you want to patent anything, he's a patent attorney. So go see Chris. And my daughter. So, you know, with this great honor, I humbly accept it. I thank AAEOY, I thank CIE, and all those before me, because we stand on the shoulders of our leaders before us, and now it's our turn to give back, our turn to role model, and our turn to mentor the leaders of the future. Thank you very much.